So you're going to start off with 1 frozen banana, or you can use 2 if you're making it for 2 people. And then a cup of mini Oreos, or you can add a couple big Oreos, 5 I guess will do. And then a tablespoon or 3/4 of a cup of your favorite almond milk. I use vanilla with some vanilla extract. I use about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You don't have to, but the main ingredients are frozen bananas and Oreos. You definitely want to add both of those. If you put enough Oreos, it will definitely mask the banana taste. And the last step is to just blend everything all together. And for a little warning in advance, this shake is not Instagram worthy. It's not pretty. It's just a regular Oreo shake. It actually looks disgusting, but it tastes really good. And yes, I know there's gonna be people in the comments stating that Oreos are not vegan. Listen, it honestly depends on what kind of vegan you are, or what kind of person you are. Me personally, I think Oreos are vegan. That's just my preference, but everyone is different. Like I always say, that's the beauty of life. But there you guys have it. I don't have any like fancy aftershots. Like I said, the shake is not pretty, but it is delicious. And like I said, you can add as many Oreos as you would like, and it will mask the banana flavor. So if you're not a fan of bananas, you can definitely hide that, or you can add more vanilla extract depending on how you like it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to throw a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!